gosh, guys, look. Look how gorgeous you are. Nature's beautiful. I'm a little sick, you guys. Do I look crazy? I don't know, but I think I'm about to meditate in this park and really just... It wasn't my plan to come here. Ew, there's doo-doo on the ground. It wasn't my plan to come here. But I remember me and my friend used to go fishing around here. But I cannot stay because I have other things I have to work on. A lot of people here. And I don't know how I feel about crowds. I'm a highly sensitive young lady. Ooh, the birds. I'm so jealous. I wish I was a bird. Y'all literally just get to chill. I'm trying to decide if I want to be a mom one day. I don't know. I don't know if I want to be a mom. I love children. I literally love children. But I already have mad nieces and nephews. And I would rather just spend my money on them. Like, I don't think I want my own child. Even though I do want my own child. I loved my childhood. I loved my childhood. And I've been returning back to it through everything, but a lot through my art. And yeah, so I don't know why I'm going on a tangent. So I'm gonna just end this chat. So yeah, bye. Hi you guys, so I'm currently doing revisions for a project I'm working on. Let me show you. Oh, sorry, that's for the wind, but I'm basically working right now. Don't want to tell much about what my project is about until it is further along the process, and I will record.